Hi guys, now welcome back to today's video. Now in this video we'll be showing you a demo walkthrough of how you can launch a powerful chat system that gives you full ownership, controls. You can make a control community and install it on any hosting, even shared, and start running a functional chat system. Now before I get out to it, if I just watch for the first time, please ensure you hit the subscribe button, like this video so that I can get notified whenever I drop a new video. Now, for example, this website is a chat system that you can set up for yourself, and as a SaaS, it has option for messaging, real-time messaging with speed. It has option for video calling, audio chats. It has option for AI bots in the message box system, and it's a one-time payment also with a full source code. Now I'm going to show you this is the landing page. I'm going to show you the user dashboard, what user will see on the admin dashboard, what admin controls to the whole platform. Now you can see these are the good platforms that if you want to talk about anything, you can see general travel tips. Once you click on the groups, you see a lot of conversation going on there. For example, let's click on travel tips. You see people be talking about traveling, so you can monitor and see how it looks like. So this is the inside. You can always chat, drop a message, and you can do a video call with a particular person or group chat. It's all about having a chat system in one dashboard. Now this is let's okay, this is the user dashboard already. We are user dashboard already. Let's log into the admin dashboard so we can see how many users are using the platform, who are people online, total groups created, and the storage you are using. In as much as you know the hosting server you are using, maybe it's VPS want to install this on or it's on the share. It works on both. It works on both. So you can see. So this is setting storage complaints. We are complaints from users. It is audibly. You can also say language in different countries. Also, you can check nearby users based on your location. I can see people that are online. So this is a system that you can set up for a one-time payment and lifetime access. So it's more like a forum, a chat forum that people can communicate with different categories, etc. So now, for example, if you want to also set up a paid membership, in the sense that people can pay you to earn from this platform, you can also do that. So this is a membership side. They can also do that. So you can do a paid membership for people to pay you to use the service. It's so easy. Let's log out and let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to the home page, for example, let's go back to the home page. Go back to the home page. You can see, so you can set the pricing that people can pay. If you're buying for a service, you can pay and set a benefit that each users can use. So you can see it's very nice. Software you can set up for your business, and you can have people coming there to engage in terms of just like WhatsApp groups, just like Facebook groups. But this is a chat system that you can aim instead of doing it for free of charge. So anybody that's coming here is coming here for an exclusive content that they will get value from. So if you want to get this off for your business, ensure you contact me via this on the screen. And if you have any question, drop in the comment section. I'll answer to that. If you have a question regarding how to set this up, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you out. And I'll see you in my next video. Remember, let's come your way. Bye bye. Bye.